Imagine a world where every nation imposes a uniform income tax rate, whether you work in the United States, China, or anywhere else. One rate for everyone, regardless of income levels. In this script, we will explore the potential effects of this scenario on wealth distribution, social justice, and economic growth. Could this lead to a fairer world? Or would it create new challenges? The first part investigates wealth distribution. A uniform income tax means everyone pays the same percentage of their income, no matter how high or low it is. Currently, progressive tax systems tax high earners at higher rates than those with lower incomes. Replacing this with a uniform tax could widen the gap between rich and poor. The wealthy would retain a larger portion of their income, enabling them to grow their wealth faster, while the poor might find the flat percentage oppressive relative to their limited income. In the second part, we delve into social justice. Social justice revolves around equal opportunities and fair resource distribution. A universal income tax might challenge this concept. Today's taxes fund social services and programs benefiting the less fortunate. With a uniform tax, some people might view the system as unfair since it disregards differences in the ability to pay. Is it just for everyone to pay the same percentage regardless of their income level? The third part examines economic growth. Economically, the uniform income tax could have mixed effects. On one hand, it might encourage investment and economic growth, as the wealthy keep more money to invest in businesses and new ventures. However, it might simultaneously reduce the purchasing power of low-income individuals, potentially lowering the demand for goods and services. This could negatively impact the macroeconomy, which relies on consumer spending for growth. The fourth part considers global impact. Uniform income taxes globally could curb tax evasion and the flight to countries with lower rates, as tax rates would be equal everywhere. However, new challenges could arise, such as countries finding other ways to attract investment, like offering corporate incentives or reducing corporate tax rates, leading to novel forms of competition between nations. In conclusion, imposing a uniform income tax is an idea ripe with debates and questions. Could it result in a fairer world? Or would it amplify social and economic disparities? What would be its long-term effect on economic growth? These questions warrant thorough examination. Ultimately, this scenario could teach us lessons about addressing social justice and wealth distribution issues. What do you think? Would a uniform income tax be beneficial or harmful? Share your thoughts in the comments. This scenario holds numerous possibilities and raises questions about balancing social justice and economic growth.